How to draw a Mickey Mouse. I'm cutting paper because I'm weird. First you draw a circle, and then another circle, and then you follow that up with a bigger circle that connects to two other circles. Then you erase any mistakes you made, just like your past mistakes. Then it's all good. A Sharpie or something else that's like a black ink pen. Sharpies aren't waterproof, so don't use any water on this. We're also going to give him a little devil tail because Disney is evil. I just know they are. After your outline's done, go through that with a giant Sharpie to fill it in. Then again, erase your mistakes, because if you can't see them, so can no one else. Then draw a bunch of little baby Mickeys because misery always likes company. And for the final touch, and if you're not too lazy, just add like the Disney logo. I was too lazy to write the Disney word, so I just drew a D for demon. Now add some pizzazz. I added some darker shadows to Mickey and the little baby evil Mickeys. And also went around the edge with red colored pencil because red is one of the evil colors. It's not evil, it's just a lot of bad things are red, man. And I took a white gel pen and went over the Mickeys and the D. Oh wait, to give it a highlight because this ain't no makeup tutorial. And you're done. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. I was flat on the E. Peel the tape that you used to hold it down with out. And don't tear your paper. Masking tape is really hard to get off if you have like any nails. So eventually it works, or that you just burn the house down. Angle change because we gotta have those angles if we want to get noticed. You're welcome, by the way.